Alright, tiring. Alright, I got it the bolt in there and tight. So it's all down there like it belongs. Ooh, so much. Goes up and down like it's supposed to now. Jeez, what a difference. Okay, let's put a little lube on it. So we're going to use a little chain wax. I'm not sure how much that's going to get in there, but we'll see. Just for the hell of it, we'll put some over here too. I'm sure it hasn't been lubricated. That's why. Yeah. A pedal that works now. Amazing. Oh, that's different. Jeez. It's been years since that's worked. That's pretty good. Okay, so I got that working good. Okay, now it appears there's supposed to be a bolt right here. And we're missing the bar that goes in there. See, there's supposed to be a bar in there. So does that mean the bar is stuck way down inside of the hole there? We can't see it? Or is it just missing completely and it was never there? Not sure how this thing works either, so looks like it's a pinching type affair. Yeah. Appears to be missing. So I need something like this here in there. So I wonder if anything is in the hole down there. So I guess the thing we do is just grab this one. Ah, it's a filthy one right here. See if it'll fit in the hole. Alright, well if there was one in there, it ain't in there no more. So my guess is it's long gone. Okay, so I need a piece of 3/8 inch stock with a hole in it. Appears to be a 5/16 hole. And we can put it in there where it belongs. So if I undo that Allen, this whole pedal should come right off because it is adjustable for you, whoever's using it this week. You still trying to help me, Scooby? Alright. Nothing like having to make a bunch of parts. But oh well. See, this is what happens when you don't do your maintenance on your projects for a lot of years. Things stack up. They finally get bad enough that you have to do something to continue. That's pretty much where I'm at. So we're going to grab an Allen. I'm going to guess it's this one. That's pretty close. Okay, so whatever that is what I need to make. So we just happen to have a sample. I'm hoping this is in, yeah, it might have went all the way out the back side down there, but I don't know. Okay, I know something I better do. I better get that out of there before it falls off. Used to be a magnet right there. Okay, I need to make one of those. There's a pedal. So I wonder if it went down that long ass hole. Got it, Scooby. So we'll grab a magnet. See if we can find one. If we're lucky, we'll find that down the hole down there. Assuming it'll go in the hole. Okay, I think I got it. Something solid making noise. Ah, nothing. Damn it. Cobweb. Come on. Ah, damn magnets. Last chance. Last chance. Nope. Okay. Didn't work. Alright, so I need to make one of these. Okay. Unless there's one laying around I don't know about. Could be. Problems I don't know about it. It didn't fall down anywhere here I can see. Not likely it would come out the top anyway, it would go out the bottom. If it can work past that, it'd be back on the back side where you can't get to it. It would be laying back there on the ground. I don't think that would fit through that bolt. So if we take a flashlight, take a look down the hole, which you might be able to see. Put the camera down over here. Definitely nothing in there that I can see anywhere. See if I can find something buried in here. Nope. Too old to do that. I don't bend like I used to. Okay, usually I find extra shit, I leave it laying around over here someplace. Alright. We tried. Can't find anything. Somebody's gotta make it. Alright, so let's go make it. Oh! Find something to make it out of. Make it out of Scooby. That would work. Let's see, 10:30. What are we going to make it from? All right. We're going to have to find something to make it from. Piece of thin metal. Back in the dark cubby reaches of the shop. I'm sure we got something that looks about that size. At least this is easy to do. Okay. So we need something that's about this size down in our junk pile. So here's a nice piece here, but see it's a little bit on the thick side. See, it's too thick. That might work, but it'd be close. Find something else, otherwise I got to cut it down, which is more work. There we go. Ooh, stainless steel. Oh, we get the best around here. Alright, stainless, it'll work if it'll cut. What else do we got around here? Piece of 1/4 inch steel. I like that better than stainless. Stainless sucks. I like stainless. Okay, there we go. It's a little bit on the wide side, so you might have to do some more work for that. So this is just a straight piece of metal, so I can just cut it off short right now and not worry about it. So we go back over here to the bandsaw. This time we're working in the dark. It's okay, we work a lot in the dark around here. We're okay with that. It's not exactly a precision piece of material here, so it just has to be close, nothing special. Okay. Getting hot. There we go, a piece of metal. Maybe go over here and grind the burr off of it. More darkness. We like darkness around here. In the water it goes. Warm. Pieces come off. There's a deburr one we're not using. Okay, everything's full of grit now. I'll blow the grit off. Doo-doo-doo. Scooby's back. He likes the airline. What are you doing, Scooby? What do you got? Wherever I blow parts off, Scooby runs to. He likes standing right in front of it. So we didn't throw the metal away when we're done with it. Yeah, we'll leave it over here. The next guy might need it. Okay, so we gotta make sure this will fit inside the tube that we got. We don't know if it will or won't. It's a little bit wider than it needs to be, so it might not fit. Scooby's gonna make sure it's good to go though. Is it good to go, Scooby? Yeah. Nope. A little bit too fat, so we can knock it down. Of course, somebody's over here doing something else in the milling machine, so we don't have access to do what we want yet. Scooby, you're in my way. Scooby, Scooby, come on, you're in my way. I don't really want to change my setup over here because I was doing something important over here. Looks like we're going to have a problem. Alright, let's see. We need to lose about 1/8 of an inch off of this. Milling machine's kind of occupied. I don't really want to break the setup. But I don't really have a lot of choice in the matter. It's a lot of work to grind that much off material-wise. Pretty well sucks doing that. Let's see. Yeah, I think I can work around it. Scooby's in the way. Of course, somebody left the oil in the way too. I don't know who did that. Doesn't matter where you put stuff. 5 minutes after you put it there, it's in the way. Ever notice that? Okay, so I'm going to have to work around this problem. So I'm going to go ahead and put a vise up here and I'll be back.